Hi, this is Eric Stromquist with ControlTrends.com, your source for smart building and HVAC control news you can use. So over the last couple of months, I've noticed a very strange phenomenon. Our YouTube subscribers are growing exponentially more than any of our other media outlets, and that was perplexing to us. That is until I asked a couple of people that are subscribed on the YouTube channel. What they like about subscribing to the YouTube channel is they get information before anybody else. And they pointed out something to me as well that I didn't really realize, which is we post a lot more stuff on YouTube that may or may not ever make it to the ControlTrends.com site. So if you're somebody who likes getting information before everybody else and believes that speed and information can be differentiators, then it's real simple to subscribe to the channel. Click on the icon above me, the YouTube icon, or the link below. Hit the button. All you got to do is subscribe, and then you will be one of the first to know.